we're gonna put the finishing touches on the coffee table. I need to get the side bracings put on. These are more or less decorative. They don't necessarily have to go on there, but I asked the customer and they said yes, put them on. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's do it. What I'm doing is I'm measuring slightly above. I'm using a saw that doesn't have a laser on it, and so I'm taking the thickness of the blade into account for my cuts.
Well, you're so strong, Dad. I'm getting strong like you.
Thanks, bud.
If I was older than you, I'll be stronger than you.
Maybe.
Yeah. And if I was older than you, I could pick you up. Throw you in the trash, baby. Trash. Okay. And don't forget to hit the bell, like and subscribe. And hit that thumbs up, like smash it like a pumpkin, with smash with a big hard hammer hammer that was made out of diamond. Thanks.
I love you, buddy.
Love you too.
Alright. The amount of hang off that's going to be from the front is 1 3/8 inch. And then we're going to have 2 inches of hang off on the sides. I'm going to be burying 2.5 inch pocket screws because it's the only thing I have currently into the 2x4, cinching it down to the table. Oh, now it's heavy. Now it's time to get this thing clean, get a tack cloth on it, get all the rest of the dust off, stain it, and hit it with polyurethane. See how it does. The wife and I are going to be using Polyurethane classic water-based wood stain, the American walnut. This right here. See, classic water-based wood stain, American walnut. Hopefully, this is going to be enough to do the entire table. We'll see.
Oh, bug.
Time for the poly. I'm gonna be going with the Ultimate Polyurethane water base for the crystal clear mat. We're gonna try this out. She's in the back room.
She's in Titans.
Teen Titans?
Yeah.
Go.
Yeah, it was on here the whole time.
Yeah.
They don't have the real ones anymore.
I'm sorry.